Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Today we are going to see the lesson ledger, 11th standard ledger. Okay. So last class and all we saw journalizing. With the help of journalizing only we are going to prepare ledger. Okay. So in ledger account, ledger is a summary statement of all the transaction. Okay. So what are all the transactions we are doing, everything we are entering in the journal. After that what we are going to do now, each and every transactions we are going to give elaborately, we are giving a summary. Okay. So that is why we are entering ledger. Okay. It will shows the net effect of all the transactions. For example, purchase alone if you are doing in the sense per month alone how much you made purchase, that we can find out easily. That net effect you can find out easily. Okay. And then it contains all the sets of accounts. For example, personal, real and nominal accounts we can find out easily and then we can enter easily. Okay. And then quick information about a particular account. So what are all the informations we need, everything we will be getting very easily. Already I said purchase alone how much we made in a particular day or a particular week, particular month, how much we made. So we can find out easily. Okay. So that's why quick information we are easily getting. Okay. And then trial balance. With the help of this ledger only we can prepare trial balance. Okay. After finding out the trial balance only we can able to prepare final accounts. For example, trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet and all, with the help of trial balance only we are preparing. Okay. And then we are preparing in a T format. So this ledger we are going to prepare as a T format. Okay. Now we move on to the format children. See, this is the format of ledger. Okay. See, here first you have to write the name of the accounts. For example, cash account or if any capital somebody is investing in the sense or Ram's capital account or Kumar's capital account, like that we have to write. Okay. Name of the ledger we will be writing here, and then date. So particular date, in which date this transaction made, like that, and then particulars we have to write here, and then JF. JF means journal folio, in which page number they have written that journal transaction. So that number we have to write it here. Okay. In journal what we will do, ledger folio number we will be writing. Do you remember that children? And then amount column we will be writing the amount, and then same way this is debit side and then credit side. So it's look like a T format. So in our notebook what we are going to do now, we are dividing the note into two, and then the left side is debit side and then right side is credit side. Okay. So left side we will be writing all the debit transactions, and then right side we will be writing all the credit transactions. Copy this children. Next we move on to the sum. Okay. See, now what I am going to do now, I will tell you the transaction and then I am going to enter the journal. After the journal only I am going to enter ledger. Okay. First we move on to the example problem. Okay. So first I am going to do journal. Okay. See, journal, first transaction I will tell you. Started business with cash 50,000. So one person is investing the capital as a 50,000 cash. Okay. So you know about journal, isn't it? So date, particulars, here we will be writing ledger folio, isn't it? And then this is debit column, this is credit column. Okay. So this is the format of journal. So now I am going to enter into the journal. For example, January 1st 2017. Okay. So, just I am writing children January 1st 2017 he is going to, somebody is starting the business. Okay. So, cash account debtor to capital account. This is the journal for this transaction. So, 50,000, how much? 50,000 and then 50,000 I will be writing here, and then here I am going to write the narration. Being started business with cash. Okay, this is the journal. Now, what I am going to do now, I am going to posting into the ledger. So, that is called as posting. Okay. So, how I am doing, you see children, ledger. Okay. This is the T format I said. So, debit side and then credit side. Okay. So, how I am writing, you see. Date, particulars, journal folio and then amount. Okay. Same way, date, particulars, journal folio and then amount. Okay. Now, how I am going to enter, I will say. See, in this transaction, what we should do now, you have to open a separate account for each and every transaction. So, cash alone we have to take it into separate, and then capital also we have to take it, we have to write it in the separate account. Okay. See how I am writing. So, here I am going to write cash account. Okay, cash account I am writing in the middle of the page. Okay, cash account. Now, I am going to enter the capital. So, in cash account, I should not write cash here. Okay, so what I am going to do now, as a capital only he investing, no, that capital I am going to debit. So, you can, what you should do now children, in a pencil or anything, you have to put like this on arrow mark. So, it will be easy for you to understand. Okay. So, cash should go to credit side and then capital should go to debit side. So, in cash account we should not write same cash. So, in cash account you have to write capital. The capital should go to debit side. Okay. See children, how I am writing. So, here Jan 2017, January 1st, isn't it? So, particulars to I should write to capital account, how much? 50,000 I will be writing here. Do you understand? So, in cash account I am writing capital debit, because in journal what I did? I did credit. So, I credited the capital account, but in ledger what I am doing? I am debiting the capital account. Okay. So, same way what I should do, no? So, what I am going to do, no? Again I am going to start a capital account. Capital account. Okay children. So, same way I am going to write the format. Debit side, date, particulars, journal folio, amount. Same way, date, particulars, journal folio and then amount. See, already I prepared cash. Now I am going to do capital. In capital account, what I should do, no? In date January 1st 2017, cash account, by cash account, how much? 50,000 I should write here. Do you understand children? Wait, I will explain you. See here in journal what we did? Cash account debtor to capital account, isn't it? Now I am preparing the ledger account. In ledger what I am doing, no, cash account I opened, okay, a separate account I opened, and then in cash what I did, capital I debited, okay, capital I debited, and then what I did, see, in capital account cash I credited. So entirely it will differ, okay. So in journal what all we are debiting, everything we are going to credit in ledger. What all we are crediting, that we are going to debit in the ledger. Okay, do you understand, children? I will tell you more examples, okay. And then next what I am going to do, journal, okay. Purchase goods for cash, for example 5,000, okay. So what is the journal for this? Purchase account debtor to cash account, isn't it? So 5,000 rupees, 5,000, and then here also 5,000. This is debit side, this is credit side, okay. Okay, so like that I am writing. Now what I should do, no, I will open a purchase ledger I am going to do, okay. So purchase account I am opening, okay. In that purchase what I did, purchase account debtor to cash account. Now what I am going to do, no, this cash I am going to debit, and then purchase I am going to credit, okay. Now you see, children, in cash account I have already opened, no, in that page I am going to do by purchase account. How much? 5,000 rupees. Do you understand? So 5,000 rupees I did like this. And then what I am going to do, in purchase account I have opened, no, here what I am going to do, date, particular, and then journal folio, amount, and then again date, particulars, journal folio, amount. So what I am going to do, no, see, already purchase account debtor to cash account. So in purchase what I am going to do, to cash account. How much? 5,000. Do you understand, children? See, in journal how I did. So journal purchase account debtor to cash account. So already I said what all we are debiting in the account, that we are going to credit, and then what all we are crediting, that we are going to debit. Okay, so that's why I opened purchase account, and then what I did, in cash I debited. Okay, do you understand, children? And then shall we move on to the next example? Okay. Sold goods for cash, rupees 5,000. Okay, sold goods for cash. So what is the journal for this? See, cash account debtor to sales account. This is the journal for the transaction, for this transaction. So 5,000 and then 5,000, isn't it? So what I should do? So simply you can put like this. It should go to credit side and sale should go to debit side. Okay. Same way what I am going to do? Sales account I am opening, and then Same way you have to write date, particulars, and then journal folio, amount. Same way date, particulars, journal folio, and then amount. So, how much? 5,000 rupees, no? Sales account, what we should do? So, sales account, the cash should go to, the sales should go to debit side and cash should go to credit side, isn't it? So, in sales account, we have to buy cash, account 5,000. You have to write like this, okay. In cash account, already we have opened cash account, no? There we have to write the sales. So cash already I have opened. So that's why I am writing here, but in some you have to write separately. So to sales, sales should come here. So 5,000. So like that you have to write. Do you understand, children? Shall we move on to the next sum? Okay. See, here pass journal entries for the following transaction and post them in the ledger account. In 2017 June 1st, Basu started business with cash 50,000, purchased furniture by paying cash for 6,000, purchased machinery on credit from Harish 10,000, bought goods for cash 4,000, paid insurance premium 100 rupees. So now we move on to the sum. First we have to write the ledger, journal. Okay. So Basu started the business with cash in the sense. So okay. Okay, children. First 2017 June 1st. Okay. Basu started business with cash 50,000. So, cash account debtor to capital. Okay. How much? 50,000. Okay. You have to write the narration, children. Being started business with cash. Okay, like that you have to write. And then furniture. So, purchased furniture by paying cash for 6,000. So, furniture is an asset. So, what you should do now? So, furniture account debtor to cash. How much? 6,000. Okay. So, again being furniture for cash. Okay, like that you have to write. And then next what we should do? Next transaction. Purchased machinery on credit from Harish. So, purchased machinery on credit. So, it is a credit transaction. So, what you should write? See, machinery account which date 7th one. So, account debtor, how much? 10,000. It is a credit transaction. So, he bought from Harish to Harish. Okay. So, Harish account 10,000. Okay. So, being machinery bought from Harish. Okay, children. Then bought goods for cash 4,000. So, again purchase account. Purchase account debtor to cash. Cash account. Okay. How much? 4,000. So, being cash purchase. Okay. Then paid insurance premium 100 rupees. So, the date, particulars, ledger folio, debit, credit. Okay. So, 18th, what they are doing? Paying insurance. It is an expenses. So, insurance premium account debtor to cash account. Okay, how much? Only 100 rupees. Okay, here being insurance premium paid. Okay, first you have to write the journal. After that, what we are going to do? No, we are going to do the ledger. Okay, first you are going to open always cash account. Okay, cash account. This is debit side. This is credit side. Okay, so date, particulars, journal folio, amount. Same way, date, particulars, journal folio, amount. Okay. So, now we are going to prepare ledger account. First what we did, see children, I already prepared journal account. Okay, now we are moving to the ledger. So, after, how we should do? No, first you have to start with cash account. Okay, cash I have written and kept. So, in particular date, in which date they started the business? 2017 June 1st. Okay, the Basu is starting the business, isn't it? So, this is the ledger we are doing. Okay, so in ledger what we should do? No, in cash account we have to write the capital, isn't it? So, capital account, how much? 50,000. And then what are all the cash transactions are there? First we are going to enter. Okay, so here one thing, and then again what he is doing? No, furniture he is purchasing. Again we are going to open a furniture account to cash, isn't it? So, automatically in cash account the furniture will go to credit side. Okay, see children how I am writing, you see, then I will explain you. So, here buy furniture in which date? 4th June. Okay, so furniture account, how much? 6,000. Okay, 6,000. And then what he is doing? And then machinery he is purchasing, but it is a credit transaction. And then again he is purchasing the goods. Okay, so purchase account to cash account. In cash what we should do? Purchase we have to credit. So, in which date? 10th June by purchase. How much? 4,000. Okay, and then paid insurance premium. So, insurance premium is also a expenses. So, automatically it will come to credit side. So, buy insurance premium. Okay, how much? 100 rupees. So, first we should open the cash account, and then what are all we are debiting in the journal we have to credit here, what are all crediting we have to debit here. Okay. So, first cash account is over, and then what I am going to do, next one is capital account. Okay. So, capital account, same thing I am going to write. So, date, particulars, journal folio, amount. Okay. So, same way, date, particulars, journal folio, amount. Okay. So, Basu's capital. So, cash account to capital account only we wrote. So, automatically the cash will come to credit side. So, in capital I am going to write 2017 June 1st by cash. How much? 50,000, isn't it? So, capital account over, one time only they are investing, not additional capital and all not there. So, okay, this and all over. And then what I am going to do? I am going to open a furniture account. So, again each and every transactions you have to open a separate account. Okay. Date, particulars, journal folio, amount. Date, particulars, journal folio, amount. See, every transactions you have to write, open a separate account. Okay. Furniture, what they did, furniture account to cash account, isn't it? So, automatically the cash will come to debit side. So, in what date? June 4th. Okay. How much they bought? 6,000 rupees. Okay. And then again we are going to prepare another account. What is that? Machinery account. Machinery account, date, every time you have to write like this. Then so, in machinery account also you are opening, no. So, what you should do? Machinery account to Harish account. So, what you should write? Harish, you should debit. Okay, how much? 10,000 rupees. Okay, each and every transactions you have to write like this. Again, what I am going to open? I am going to open a Harish account. So, Harish account, date, particulars, same way, date, particulars, so machinery account to Harish account, isn't it? So, machinery should go to credit side. So, in at which date he bought? June 7, isn't it? So, buy machinery account, how much? 10,000. Like that you have to write. Okay. So, each and every transactions you have to open a separate account like this, and then what you should write, and then purchases account. Purchase account, debit side, date, particulars, journal folio, amount. Same way, date, particulars, journal folio, amount. So, purchase account to cash account we made, isn't it? So, to cash, in purchase account you have to debit cash. So, in which date he bought? June 10th. Okay. So, how much? 4,000 rupees. So, like that each and every transactions we have to enter like this. Okay children, copy this.